channel KP Style. So I am back with another video. So today I would be trying out various viral makeup hacks from 5 Minute Crafts, and I would be testing it out in front of you guys to see whether like they work or they do not. So if you guys want to know these all amazing hacks, so please keep on watching, and before going to the video, please like, share and subscribe. Like subscribe कर देना यार, क्या जाता है. So let's get started. So in hack number 1, basically instead of applying the lipstick all over your lips, she's just applying it in the middle of her lips and blending it out with the help of a Q-tip. So I would be doing the same, and for the lipstick I'm taking this CV3 soft matte lip cream. Instead of taking a matte lipstick, I'm taking a lip cream. I think that this would be much more easier, like to blend it out. So I would be applying it only in the middle of my lips like she has done. Okay, so I have applied it only in the middle, and then I would be blending it out with the help of a Q-tip. Okay, so this hack worked decently, but what I feel is like the most of the product has transferred on the Q-tip rather than on my lips, and as it was a lip cream, it was much more easier to blend. But I think if I would have used a matte lipstick, it would not have blended out like really nicely. So like this hack works only if you want like a very light tint or a hint of lipstick on your lips. But for that we can use any tinted lip balm or lip gloss. But you can try out this hack. Like for me, it's a thumbs up. So in the second hack, she is applying a golden lipstick. Obviously, like her golden lipstick has been finished, and she is using a lip balm and rolling it on the golden eyeshadow and then applying it on her lips. So basically, we Indians do not apply golden lipstick. Like personally, I have not seen anyone in India who has applied a golden lipstick. So I would be trying it out with some pink or red eyeshadow. So let's do it. Okay, so for the lip balm, I'm taking this Maybelline Baby Lips because I don't usually apply it and I do not want to ruin my good lip balm. So I am taking this particular shade right here, and I'm going to do the same thing which she has done. I think the product has been transferred, so let's just try it out. Okay, so again it is working as a tinted lip balm, like not a really pigmented lipstick. And also I have used a pigmented palette, and still it has not given a lot of color payoff. So again, it's a decent kind of hack. If you are out of your tinted lip balm, you can just do it and you are good to go. And also it is giving my lips a glossy look, which is, I think I can try that. If you are out of your lip gloss, you can do this. Like for me, again, it's a thumbs up. The next hack is basically you have to dip your 3 fingers in highlighter, blush and bronzer and just apply it on your cheeks and blend it out, and you have those perfect highlighted, blushed and bronze cheeks. So I am going to do the same. The first thing comes is highlighter. So I am going to take highlighter on my finger and blush on my second finger and bronzer on my third finger. So basically she has applied it on this area, like the apple of the cheeks area. She have applied on that thing. So I'm going to do the same. Okay, that is looking bad, so I have to blend it out like really well. So I am not seeing like perfectly bronzed cheeks or something. It's just that all the 3 things I have mixed out here only, and also I do not have any base on right now, so maybe that is the reason that the colors are not like popping it out. It might look good on the camera, like it has turned out to be nice, but in person, in real, it is not looking good at all. Like it all is looking really messed up, and there is no definition, there is no proper blush, no proper highlight, no proper bronzer. Like, this is looking really messy and really bad. So for me, this hack was a thumbs down. I didn't like this hack at all. So in the next hack, it is shown that you can make your foundation waterproof. Like, I think, like, I'm assuming that this hack is not going to work. Like, it's just my assumption. So what I'm going to do is, I'm taking this Bobbi Brown foundation, and what she is doing, she has dipped the whole foundation pan in water, and then she's applying it back of the hand and then pouring water on it, and it becomes waterproof. So what I am going to do is, I'm taking some foundation here, you know, like this much, and then I would be putting water on. I'm just going to spray water. I think it's, let me blend it out. Like, even without dipping the foundation into the water, it is working nice. Like, I have applied, you know, I have sprayed water on it, and it is still staying on my hand, like you can see. So I think without ruining your whole foundation pan or bottle and dipping it into water, you can simply apply your foundation, and if you want a waterproof foundation, you can simply buy it. So again, this hack was a thumbs down. So moving on to the last hack, like, I have seen tons of people trying out this hack, and personally I have never tried it because I always thought that maybe it would not work, because, you know, everybody has a different eye shape, and you know, a single bottle cap cannot fit everybody's eyelids and give you that proper cut crease. And also you need a concealer for a proper, you know, cut crease, because you need definition. Cut crease is not meant to be shown like proper blended out, like the edges should be shown. So I have never tried it, but I am going to try it today in front of you guys. So I'm taking this small cap because it was, you know, like fitting my eyelid. It was appropriate for my eyelid. So what I'm going to do is, I am going to place this cap on my eyes and would be blending out my eyeshadow to see that whether it creates a cut crease or not. So let's do it. I'm putting my cap right here, like I think this is the appropriate place, and then I would be applying my eyeshadow. It is not easy to apply eyeshadow like this. Let's just see and remove it how it turns out. I am not seeing any cut crease. Like, you can do it without the help of this cap as well. You can just grab your brush and apply your crease color. I don't think so, like it has given any difference. Maybe it can work for you, but it didn't turn out really well for me. So again, thumbs down. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and please let me know in the comment section what do you think about this video, and if you want a part 2 of this video, I would surely make it, and please subscribe my channel. So bye.